Hello, just a quick one before the entertainment begins. It was incredibly windy on this day, and I've had to apply some audio manipulation to save your ears from what is effectively hell on earth. Um, as such, in certain parts, my voice sounds slightly robotic, uh, but trust me, it's better this way than it was before. I'm just going to show you a quick before and after, just so you get an idea. You'll thank me later. If you've never been, there's so much here. If you've never been, there's so much here. Anyway, enjoy.
I like air shows.
Oh God, it's got a bomb on it. I'm a very lucky boy today because it happens to be my birthday, and there's a big next store. You can see in my glasses, and my fiance is just buying me some picnics. So very lucky boy.
That's very sweet.
She bought the entire picnic store.
One of everything.
My fiance made me try sweets.
Happy birthday!
Oh, that's nice. I'm now on the GH5. I've got my Tamron 80 to 210 lens on. It's my only zoom. Obviously it's a vintage lens, so the pictures aren't that crisp, but it's a vibe. That's a lovely day. Lovely day. If you've never been, there's so much here. We've got different stalls where you can buy stuff. So many eateries all over the place. Got an amazing fairground over there. Got some really cool weird actors, or living historians, as they sometimes like to be called. It's really nice to speak to reenactors because I'm quite a visual sort of learner. So it's nice to be able to associate stuff with visual. The planes haven't even taken off yet. It's remarkable. So, there's quite a strong crosswind today, so a lot of the planned flights are not happening. But just seen the Sally B, B-17, always lovely to see, based here at Duxford.
airmen who are dogged by odds, unwearied in their constant challenge and mortal danger, are turning the tide of the world war by their prowess and by their devotion. Never in the field of human conflict was so much hope by no.
Well, I'm afraid to say 3 of my batteries died at the pinnacle moment, which was all the Spitfires coming over and the Hurricanes. But it meant I was able to watch and enjoy, and boy was it incredible. From Duxford, Battle of Britain Airshow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching The Real Rob Oliver. Please like and subscribe.